Hello Initial D fans, so you obviously like cartoons if you like Initial D, but this is a more cartoonish version of a cartoon. This is a ChoroQ, right? So this one has the white hood. I actually have the one with the black hood I'll show later. And they actually built a real car. Very cool. So let's see what's going on here. We got the black wheels, standard 5-spoke molding there. I'm going to replace those. It's nice that you can see the black running from the front all the way down the side. And then running around the rear, and I guess that's Initial D, AE86 Trueno. I think it has an Apex body kit. Is that what Apex is? And obviously that's Trueno. This is a rare ChoroQ where it actually has side mirrors. And then we have the Tofu Shop text there. Really gappy. I don't know if there's light. Yeah, those are really smoked windows. I can see my finger behind there. The front has orange and was that white? No, that's the body. Orange, orange. I guess that's it for the color up front. Alright, pop-up lights. The hood has a funky little crevice there. There's a sunroof detail. This is bought used, so no original packaging. I don't even know how old this is. It's, I don't know. Yeah, that's really strange how some companies don't date their products. Alright, well anyways, I have some 3D printed mini lights I'm going to put on this. They should be black, but I already have black ones on the other one, so I'm going to just go with silver ones today because I like to see the details of my wheels. Alright, so let's see if we can get this apart easily. That screw, now this tab is always a challenge. Getting it. I feel like the tab very often is bigger than the actual hole, so they're not designed to be taken apart. And this plastic, so I don't feel like marring that up. So I'm going to take this X-Acto and cut out the back hole a little bit bigger. Let's see if that's enough clearance. Nope. Almost. Oh, there we go. Alright, so yeah. So this is actually a molded white body. It's not painted clear. So the windows are a separate smoked plastic. And here those mirrors are just kind of, they're trapped by the motor. Those tabs go around the motor. That's how it's centered. Okay, let's get this old motor out of here and pop it in one from a different one. Alright. Oh, here we go. So this was made in 2001 in May. That's what that production dial means. So this is over 20 years old now. Pretty crazy. So this plastic might actually be brittle, this white body stuff. It's a little bit yellowed actually when I look at it. So it could have been sitting in the sun or something. Now this tab is always a pain. It will not go back. Oh, it's because the mirrors have to trap that motor maybe? No. There we go. Mirrors in place. Alright. Gotta hand screw this back together. So here are the wheels. I have some blue calipers on the brakes there, just because. I never really watch Initial D, so I don't know if they actually get into those details, like talking about what color brake calipers the thing might have. Trying to orient the wheels and the brakes towards the door. Although I just theorize that's where they are. On the real car, I have no idea. Okay. And then you'll notice I'm setting some steering up on these front wheels because the putty will pretty much let me do what I want. Okay, and now we're going to see that on this upside, right side up. So, okay, very good. Yes. All right. So here's that other one I have, and so yeah, black wheels as like the cartoon, and this has a different color sticker. I think there's two different sets of these. This is later on. It says Project D. So maybe this is the original one. They were like Toys R Us sets or something, packs of 4. So I have a few others. This is the Miata or MX5, which I 3D printed my own wheels. See, so this, I think, well, you know, that doesn't say Project D. Maybe there's 3 different sets. I don't know. There's a lot of different Initial D things going on. Granted, I mean, if this was made 20 years ago, they must have released a few sets since then. This one, yeah, again, has the Miata kind of sticker. And this has 3D printed ad band wheels at R34. The iconic Red Suns RX-7 running some 3D printed, I think, Volk Race TE37s. It says Red Suns there. And the sticker here is Project D as well. Okay. And then this one, this is the same sticker as this first one. So that's from the same set, the R32. And this one is running R32 wheels, 3D printed. And that's all I have for the Initial D stuff. I know there's an S2000 in metallic blue and also a white RX-7 FC. So those are the only 2 I see on the internet that I'm missing. Hopefully one day they'll come up for sale. You know, I buy all these things used, so it's not, I don't have a time machine. So just gotta wait until they come up for sale every now and then. I actually like it more with the silver wheels. You can see what's going on. The black ones, sure, I guess that's fine for the cartoon, but if I had this car in real life, I'd run some sort of brighter colored wheels. I have no idea what this character is, but it's the closest thing I have to that character in the back. The Tofu Delivery Kid. I forget his name. Was it Takahashi or something? Alright, well, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next ChoroQ video. Bye now.